I'm Hannah, a tutor at Sky Academy. We are looking at measurement, specifically rates and ratios, which is MS M7. This is our second video within this topic, and we're looking at the unitary method. So this method is used when you divide a number by the amount to get just one lot of that amount, and then you multiply it by the result. So I'll explain what this means with an example. So for example, let's say I had 5 apples for, let's just say $15. And I want to know how much 6 apples would cost. And so according to step 1, I have to find 1 unit of the quantity by dividing by the amount. So I have to find 1 unit of $15. So I do 15 divided by 5. Because if 5 equals 15, I need to figure out how much 1 would equal. So 15 divided by 5 gives you 3. So 1 apple costs $3. And now I need to figure out how much 6 apples would cost. And so according to step 2, I multiply the result in step 1 by the number to solve the problem. So 3 times 6 gives me $18. So I know that if I had 5 apples for $15, I divide 15 by 5 to find out how much 1 apple would cost, and then I times that amount by 6 to figure out how much 6 apples would cost. So that's the unitary method. Essentially, all it is finding out how much 1 or something costs and then multiplying that to figure out how much 20 or 15 or whatever the number is you need to find. Let's have a look at some examples. Here it says the cost of 3 kilograms of potato is $27. What is the cost of 5 kilograms of potato? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that 3 kilograms equals 27. So I need to go to 1 kilogram. And so to figure that out, I'm going to divide 27 by 3. And 27 divided by 3 gives you 9. So 1 kilogram of potatoes is going to cost $9. So now I've got this, I'm going to change it to 5 kilograms. And to do that, I need to times this by 5. So if I times 1 kilogram by 5, I need to times the amount or the cost by 5. So 9 times 5 equals 45. So 5 kilograms is going to cost $45. So I just took the 3 kilograms of $27 down to 1 kilogram and then times that by 5 to figure out how much 5 kilograms would cost. And now let's have a look at one more example. So a discount of 17.5% on a washing machine from Harvey Norman results in the price decreasing by $152.25. Find the original price of the washing machine. So firstly, what I'm going to write down is 17.5% of original price equals 152.25, because that's what this first sentence tells us. A discount of 17.5% results in the price decreasing by $152.25. So now I need to figure out what 1% of original price would be. And to do that, I'm just going to do 152.25 divided by 17.5 to figure out how much 1 would equal. So I'm just going to pop that into my calculator. And that leaves me with 8.70. Once I've done that, I need to figure out what the original price was. And the original price is always 100% of something. So I'm going to figure out what 100% of something is. Because 17.5 was my discount. So I need to figure out what the original was, which is 100 of original price. And so that's just going to be $8.70 times by 100, which is going to leave me with $870. So just to recap, what you do is you figure out what 1% of something was, and then times it by whatever you need to find. In this case, we needed to find the original price, which is 100%. So I times my 1% by 100 to figure out what 100% of the washing machine cost. And that was $870.